Good afternoon. My name is Jason Abella. My plans for my next vacation is I am going to talk about what I plan to do in my next vacations. In my next vacation, I will go to San Andres Islands. One my wife, my son, and my daughter. First, I am going to buy a swimmers to swim in the sea. Second, I will go to the beach and I am going to have fun. Third, we go to sunbathe on the beach. Fourth, my wife wants to visit different different planes in the Tenerife. We are going to visit a lot of a place. Thank you.